finally, Samsung S21 Ultra has arrived in Malaysia. Hi everyone, this is Wilson from Places and Foods. Today I am going to unbox the best phone in 2021 so far, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So this is how it looks like. The box is actually smaller. I'm going to do a quick unboxing review, what's inside the box, and for more details, the specs and everything of the phone, I'll probably do it in another couple of videos. Let's open and see what's inside this Samsung S21 Ultra. So this is the Samsung 21 Ultra 5G. This is the box. It's thinner now, as you can see. So the Malaysian chipset is the Exynos. I'm going to unbox it. I've been using Samsung phones since Galaxy S4. Okay. So this is the phone, and this is Phantom Black Edition. Oh, this is the sticker that I have to remove it. So this is the new camera. So I'm going to peel off the sticker. Look at the matte finishing of the plastic, and then here I'm going to take off the sticker as well. This is how it looks like. The finishing is outstanding. It doesn't really feel like plastic, it feels like a metal. And over this side, let me take off the protector. So if you grab it, it's big, but I think it's pretty alright. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. It's 6.8 inches in size. The resolution is 1440 x 3002 pixels. It comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. This is using the Exynos 2001 chipset. The internal memory is 256 gig with 12 gig of RAM. There's a variant of 512 gig and 60 gig RAM. I'm pretty excited to have this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra right now. In this couple of days, I'll be uploading more videos on the Samsung Galaxy 21 Ultra. I'm going to play with the 8K video features. I'm going to try the 100x digital zoom, the new camera features, and so much more. As you all know, the box is small right now, and it doesn't come with the charger. It comes with the Type-C cable, and in the instruction, there's no earphone and there's no screen protector. I'll be updating more on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. If you have any comments, please let me know. Let me try to answer that. So this is just a quick, simple video on unboxing the S21 Ultra 5G. Thanks for watching, guys. Please take care of yourself and be safe. Kita jaga kita. So see ya.